and welcome back to MouthFull, the cookery and cocktail show from me, Lisa Potter-Dixon.
And me, Dominic Frank.
Now, Dom, we're very excited about today, aren't we?
We are filled with joy because today's episode is sponsored by Jackson's of Yorkshire.
And if you don't know about this wonderful bread, get ready because you're about to find out. But before that, we start with a cocktail. And Dom, what are you making today?
We are making a Cosmopolitan.
Not just any old Cosmopolitan.
My mum's favourite cocktail.
And also, Ange. We're going to have to insert a picture of Ange because she is an icon, a legend. And that woman knows a good Cosmo. And then I'm going to be making a Philly steak sandwich, but a Teddington version, basically. But it's all going to be delicious. So shall we go with Ange's Cosmo?
Okay, I'm a little bit obsessed with this cocktail because I've been making it quite a lot recently, and I went to visit my mum the other day and I was like, oh, I'll just make you some Cosmos. And whoa, we got through them.
You would think I think I've got pictures on my phone of you and your mum like, and every Cosmo it was getting more and more like.
It's also really, really easy to make.
Yeah.
And kind of reminds me of, you know, the 90s and Sex and the City.
Yes, actually we haven't even discussed that, but we'll do that another day because I'm not sure how I feel about that new one. Okay, what are you going to be using first?
Right, it's a classic 3-2-1. That's what I love about this. So 3 shots of cranberry per person.
Okay, so is that a 50ml shot or a 25ml?
A single.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's 2. So I'm going to do that again because I'm making this for 2. The next is some gorgeous blood orange vodka. Doesn't have to be blood orange, like lemon vodka could work or just a regular vodka. So just a double shot.
So this is the 2.
Yes.
Got it.
And obviously we're doing it twice, we're making it for 2 people. And then the 1 is the Cointreau.
And this is obviously really nice because it has that orange in it as
Yeah.
well. So you've then got that perfect mix of orange and cranberry from all the ingredients.
Exactly.
Chris, by the way, we haven't forgotten about you. We will make you one in a minute. It's just it won't all fit in the little rabbit.
And then to top it off is a little bit of freshly squeezed lime juice, which I've already squeezed.
Okay.
I think 1 shot per person is enough.
Okay,
but
fine.
it's the kind of thing that, you know, like if you like things really sour, then just add a little bit more in. It's totally up to you. And that's it.
And you've got some ice in there and you're just going to shake it together. Yeah. I know you hate this rabbit, Bruce. I just made that up.
It's just that you can't shut him properly.
Oh, I mean, you know, but look how cute he is. He's just so cute. Oh, look at the colour. Whoa, they look delicious.
So beautiful.
Should we have a taste?
I think we need to.
Have a mouthful? Okay, let's go.
Cheers, guys.
Okay, cheers, cheers, cheers. Oh. Wow, look at his face.
That packs a punch, isn't it?
That is tasty.
That is so good.
Is it rude to say Haribo's? Or is it?
It does taste like...
It tastes
Tastes
like
like
candy.
sweets, yeah.
It's gorgeous. You know what this will go really well with?
Oh, I'm gonna guess. It's the Teddington steak Philly cheese sandwich. I'm really, really excited about this. We're gonna call it the Teddy steak sandwich.
Oh, I love that.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
But let's just talk a bit about Jackson's of Yorkshire, who we have said is our sponsor today, which we're so excited about. And in fact, some would say we're full of joy.
We are full of joy.
Why is that?
Oh, Jackson's of Yorkshire, joy.
I honestly would never have noticed that, but you know.
You know, it's all about bringing joy to everything that they do, everything that we do, so it's kind of a perfect fit. What I love about it is they have this signature sourdough flavour, which is absolutely beautiful. And did you know that Jackson's of Yorkshire were the first palm oil free bread? So
wow.
Every ingredient palm oil free.
That is pretty mega and pretty important. If they can do it, everyone can, right?
Absolutely, and they have this incredible wheat that just makes it so fluffy and gorgeous, and I love it. All right, so what's the first thing that we do, Lisa?
We take the steak. So this is a good old sirloin steak, and the first thing I'm going to do is just give it a bit of seasoning.
Nice.
And as we always do, and we know, you must season the steak, not the pan.
Right.
So I'm going to put olive oil, salt.
Steak loves a bit of salt, doesn't
It like it sucks it out. And then take the lid off the pepper. That would have been a good start. And some pepper. And we just kind of then massage it in.
Ooh, lucky steak.
Like me. Da-da-da-da. Too much? Too much.
You could do me later.
And once you've done that, you just turn it over and do exactly the same on the other side.
Nice.
to put this into a griddle pan. Sorry, Dom just made a really bad joke where he was like, oh, does
It was
this go
a
in
real
the
uncle
toaster?
joke, wasn't it?
Does this go into the toaster? What are you like? This is going to go on a griddle pan, so let's move over to the hob. Okay, so I've put about 150 grams of butter and 2 garlic cloves cut up into this griddle pan. It is boiling hot. I'm going to put that steak in. It smells delicious. Here we go. The reason I've got the butter and the garlic in is I'm going to baste the steak throughout to give it that extra flavour. I'm going to cook it for about 3 minutes on either side to get a medium finish. I mean, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? There's about a minute left on the steak. I've got the most amazing roasted peppers and the smoked onion that we put on the coals of the big green egg yesterday. Now you can just put them in the oven for half an hour in foil, but the smoke on this is amazing. So I'm going to put this next to the steak for the last minute. Whoa.
And are we going to rest it for a while?
We're going to rest it now for a good 5 minutes.
Lovely.
Then I'm just going to take all of this beautiful veg, which is now in the juices of the steak, with the butter, with the garlic. I mean, I feel like I could just eat this by itself. I'm going to put that onto a plate. I'm taking my Jackson's of Yorkshire soft white bloomer, and I'm going to make the most of this amazing juice, and I'm literally going to put the bread into the pan and just let it soak up those flavours and just let it griddle slightly, and this is the perfect bread to do this with. So you may have noticed that we've just griddled one side and kept the other side soft. This, the griddled side, is going to be the inside of our sandwich. Now, the reason being, Dom, do you know why? I'm going to say that I knew this, but Chris just taught us this. Basically, it stops all of the juices from flowing outside the bread and keeps it all in whilst keeping that gorgeous softness of the bread on the outside. Genius, Chris. Genius.
And fills me with complete joy, so I'm really happy about that.
And now for the rest. Guys, cream cheese. Can't have a Teddy cheese sandwich. I was like, what did I call it?
That way, Teddy steak sandwich.
So we are now going to just put on loads of cream cheese.
Oh,
now,
look at that schmear.
I love cream cheese, and I just feel like, hold on, listen. Oh my God, it sounds so good. The more, the better is what I think.
This is going to taste, I know it, it's going to taste insanely good.
It's going to taste so good.
What's
then
next?
I'm going to actually get you to cut the steak.
Lovely.
I'm going to move the bread just here for now. Whilst you do that, because we want those juices to go on top of the cheese. Here we go, the moment of truth. Is Theo going to be proud of me or not? As the steak cook in our house. Sorry. Sorry, everyone. Just to let you know that I kind of, do I deserve a medal?
I think you nailed it.
That's perfection. Whoa. Look at that. Right, the steak is perfect. Let's bring back the bread.
Oh.
Okay, I'm now going to put a little bit of mustard.
Oh, on the other side, nice.
Just a little bit, not too much. You don't want it to overpower. It's all about the flavour of that steak. Now, let's not forget our incredible smoked onions. I mean, guys, the coal of your barbecue, if you have a coal barbecue, is so precious to use it. Whenever you finish cooking, just put some veg on it and even leave it overnight, and it's gonna smoke it to perfection. I learned that from a barbecue show I just watched.
Nice.
Yeah, it was great. Anyway, I'm gonna put this on. Oh my God. Come on.
I love this.
And
I'm so excited about this.
The colour of it as well. Let's get a bit more of that onion. Do not be shy with your ingredients, is what I would say.
Yeah, you want it kind of dribbling out and hitting your chin.
Yeah, you do. Right, now for some gherkins.
Nice.
I can't not have a gherkin on a Teddy steak sandwich.
But it just adds to, you want that kind of sharpness of the vinegar to go with the smoothness.
Chris is like literally dribbling over there.
Put this steak on, put this steak on.
I'm just going to be really slow about
No!
this bit. Okay, the steak's going on, guys. Here we go. Whoa. Like, be generous. Just why not? Why would you not be? Let's just put another bit on there. Let's put one more bit for luck. And then the great thing about the Jacksons of Yorkshire bread, remember, is the softness. Look at that. The softness on that bread. Ready? Quaw. That is perfection.
Oh.
Oh, come on. That is just joy. Literally joy. Okay, let's have a mouthful.
So
Come on, Chris, help yourself. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right, ready? Let's go. Oh my God. I mean,
Do you know what? This brings me so much joy. I love how soft the bread is on the outside, and then there's that little bit of the crunch where we fried it on the inside.
that is delicious.
Absolutely delicious. Guys,
Gorgeous.
thanks for watching.
Thank you so much. Oh,
See you next time.
God, that is good.